maaari siyang maging vital na testigo para ituro ang ilang pang mga sabwat sa ganitong klaseng smuggling. Palagay ko malakas ang hinala natin. There seems to be circumstantial evidence to point to other people involved na malakas ang kapit dahil wala pang nakakasuhan 1 year and a half after. So we recognize that Mr. Shi is maybe a vital witness to point to other officials of government, perhaps private sector, financiers who are behind this and possibly other smuggling operations in the country.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator.
Of Customs, meron ba rito?
Go ahead.
What's your name, sir? I can't see you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Senator. I'm Assistant Commissioner Jet Maronila po of the Bureau of
Jet.
Customs.
Okay. May kilala ka yung princess dyan sa Bureau of Customs na nagtatrabaho?
Your Honor, I'll have to refer that matter to the intelligence group. They're the ones who are with those kinds of intelligence. The Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence.
I'm sure kilala niya ito eh. Princess ang pangalan at saka meron pang isang Mr. Manitan. Yun yung hari at prinsesa bukod sa kanya ng smuggling ng sibuyas. So maybe Mr. Chair will be interested. Saan ba intel ng Bureau of Customs? Princess ang pangalan. Princess yung alias.
Where is the intelligence? What is his designation?
Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence. Your Honor.
Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence.
The princess, Your Honor, we're not familiar with, but on several occasions, especially on some previous investigations, the name of a Manitan or Manuel Tan has cropped up. That I can personally attest to, Your Honor.
Yung princess, nagpalit-palit na ng pangalan kasi talagang maraming mga kaso. In fact, nagparito ka na raw ata to ng ilong, mata, bibig, muka, lahat. Pero kilala to sa BOC, I'm sure. Kaya nga princess dahil prinsesa siya ng...
Taking his oath.
Have to take your oath.
May we request the committee secretary? Have you taken your oath? Okay, please proceed. Your name, sir?
Sir, I'm Romeo Rosales,
Oh, yes, Mr. Rosales. Go ahead.
Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence. Sir, regarding the name of Princess, I haven't, I've heard the name, but we haven't really identified her. But we'll be working on trying to identify her, and we will give a report to this.
Exactly. That's what...
And regarding the Manitan, ang daming Manitan. There's Manitan from Pangasinan. We import rice. We want to find out the real Manitan involved in what's this, meat or
Sibuyas.
agriculture, sibuyas. We will find out, sir, and submit a report to the Senate.
Yeah, I was expecting you to answer that na you've heard princess pero hindi mo pa nakikita kasi nagpapalit-palit to ng anyo. Palagi nagpaparitoke, ilong, bibig, lahat and all. So, yeah, expected yan. Pero I'm sure nakilala niyo po ito. So, paki-intel nyo lang dahil ito po yung nagpapahirap sa ating mga farmers. Hindi makapag-compete yung mga farmers natin dahil binabaha tayo ng mga sibuyas dito, bawang, kung ano na pang mga gulay, dahil nga sa pag-smuggle nitong dalawa. So, naging kawawa yung mga farmers natin. Sige, hanap nyo lang itong Manitan at saka yung princess, pakihuli at dalhin nyo rito pag nahuli.
Yes, Your Honor. We will comply. We will comply, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator.
perhaps the Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence. Ito pong Carl Blanco. Kilala niyo ito? Carl Muico.
Your Honor, I haven't heard of Carl Mulco, but I will find out, sir, and also submit a report regarding.
Kasi ito naman po in charge dyan sa smuggling ng mga sibuyas, agri-products dyan po sa Subic. So, it will be an assignment for you. Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence, Carl Muico.
Yes, sir.
Hanap na rin po.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor, we will do.
Thank you po.
Mr. Shi, Ano yung binebenta mo sa mga restaurant sa Pasay?
有没有听懂啊？就是你在巴塞这些餐厅卖什么产品呢？
就是有时候他们要什么都有卖啊。他们要的话，我能找到我就卖啊。
Whatever they need, I am able to find the sources and supply them.
Well, what precisely? Specific. Whatever they need is very general. We want specifics.
那特定是什么产品？
就是比如说豆腐啊，而且丸子哦，还有是有的那种已经做好的那种羊排咯，
羊排，
也有的时候是那种乌鸡咯，哦，还有那些咯，这些东西咯。
Okay, so some of the Okay, some of the products are tofu, also some balls, like any kind of balls, and lamb steak.
Okay.
And sino po, sorry Mr. Chair, sino po yung kliyente niya?
请问你的客户是谁？他们叫什么？
客户不知道，之前他说的就是
Pangalan ng restaurant,
没有
pangalan ng
用
kliyente
这
niya.
张名字跟人家说的。
那个餐厅叫什么？
餐厅我知道地址，但餐厅现在好像没开了。
OK，
在那个在那个叫什么一个赌城叫什么啊？
Ang haba naman ng sagot niya, isa ng
Okay, he is explaining that I don't know the bosses there or the heads, but I know the address. I know the address, but not really the name.
The name of the restaurants. He said restaurants. You don't know the name of the restaurants. That is
餐厅的名字。
餐厅名字我
hindi kapani-paniwala. Nagde-deliver siya sa mga restaurant. Sabi niya, pero hindi niya alam yung pangalan ng
餐
restaurant.
厅的名字
但。是我知道我忘了，但是我去年过去他就已经关门了，那个广告牌也没看到，但是地址我知道，
Okay,
但是我没说不出来了。
Dahil itong mga restaurant na to, bibig ng smuggled na mga produkto. Di ba? So dapat malaman ng mga kababayan natin, kung nagsara na yung mga restaurant na yun, may mga kumpanya yun, may mga registro yun, hahanapin natin sila. Kaya kailangan namin yung pangalan ng mga restaurant na ng smuggled na mga produkto.
餐厅的名字。
餐厅名字我现在真想不起来啊，
I have forgotten the names. Sorry.
真的地址我知道，地址知道在哪里。
Only the address. Only the address.
Well, give us the address, but unbelievable na hindi mo alam yung mga pangalan ng restaurant.
那个地址能不能给我们？
Hindi pa siguro ng tax. Dahil hindi niya alam kung sino sisingilin niya.
这边是有
So hindi na naman smuggling, tax evader pa.
这个跟这条路是要去甲美地的啊，要去甲美地的。这边不是有个赌场吗？那个叫
So please submit the addresses.
这边有个加油站，
Okay.
这边有一个是有餐厅。
Okay.
那我知这个
Can I show the illustration? So the illustration shows there is a street and there is casino on the right side, and across the casino that is the restaurant, 这是餐厅。
对
餐厅。This is the
Okay.
yeah.
Saan mo binibili yung produkto mo? Kanino mo binibili? Yung dinadala mo sa warehouse.
这些产品的来源
Hindi mo rin maalala.
哪里买的
就是我刚才说，就是隔壁拿的嘛。
？It's from the warehouse beside.
From the warehouse beside.
Yeah.
Hindi,
隔壁仓库。
对，
hindi na naman kapani-paniwala. Ibig sabihin, wala kang contact na nagpapasok nitong mga fishball, ano yun? Peking duck, kasama?
有没有北京烤鸭
北京烤鸭没有，
？No，
So fishball, ano pa?
只有丸，然后什么？
就是有时候有那种有鸭肉嘛，
鸭肉
都有，但是北京烤鸭没有。
有没有火锅的？火锅类
后来
的。
就是这些丸子跟豆腐都是火锅。
Food and the balls are part of the shabu
这是火锅类
shabu.
的。
Yes. 有没有虾？
chicken feet 虾没有，
No, I don't have
虾
tempura.
条没有，
有没有鸡爪？
Tin.
鸡爪有没有？
鸡爪没
没有。
鸡爪没有，
Okay, no chicken feet also. Yeah.
知道他就是都他的微信就叫一个三，
嗯，只有这个三。
不是这个三，是这个三，这个三，
Okay.
他微信只有一个三。
Okay. So the name of this person in WeChat is only one character, which is Shan. 他是菲律宾华人吗？
他会说中国话，我不知道他是
He can speak with him in Chinese. 菲律宾语吗
菲律宾语，我是没有听他说过，但应该是会吧。
？I haven't heard, but I think he knows.
Doon tayo mag-umpisa, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Kasi malamang yun yung napakikilala sa kanya sa mga tao na kailangan niyang makonect nang sa gayon makapagnegosyo siya rito.
Okay. Shan, S-H-A-N.
是你的，
不是你, this is a female.
啊，
Female.
Female.
Kasi hindi naman ng property yung si Sean kung di mo magtagalog yun. So pwede tayo mag-umpisa doon.
Okay.
Kung pwede sana i-contempt ng 2 beses, gusto ko itong 2 beses eh.
So si Sean, saan niya nakilala?
这个山是哪里认识的
这是租房子的时候是中介介绍的。
？Okay. He was introduced by the agent.
嗯，
She was introduced by the agent. 什么中介人呢？
中介人不是我找的，
啊，It's
中介
not-
不是我找的，是我老婆在国内，她用那个
Agent ng
微信，然后打电话叫我说让我去
Okay.
她过去
Okay.
开源给我看。
Okay, so my wife, when she was in China, she went through WeChat and she was able to contact with this agent, and this agent introduced me to Shan.
Sean, nasa na siya?
Nick,
So, you don't know where this Sean is now?
山现在在哪里？你知道吗
应该也还在中国城啊。
？Must still be in Chinatown.
Kita lang sa kanya kung meron ba siyang na-meet ng mga government official. Kahit na sino, doesn't matter kung anong agency ng gobyerno.
Government official.
Radio, official,
Okay. He has met. Okay.
哎，babae, lalaki, taga-gobyerno.
Okay. 有没有遇见一个不管什么政府机构，或是政府的人员、官员，什么就是任何政府机构的人呢
我是吗？
？Yeah.
没有，
Ganito na lang. Meron ba siya yung mabait? Mabait na taga-gobyerno na kaibigan niya kasi mabait eh. Siyempre, banggitin niya, mabait sa kanya eh.
Okay.
Sino yung mabait na pwede natin purihin na kaibigan niya?
Okay.
Sabihin mo, mabait ha?
Okay.
Mabait sa kanya, para sa kanya.
Okay.
Baka pwede pa natin tulungan. Tulungan. Sige.
OK，就是有没有一个想要介绍一个政府比较跟你好的一个朋友，有一个要好的朋友，就认识的一个朋友
认识的朋友介绍政府是吗？
啊？
我不会说英语，也不会说台高都我介绍我跟谁认识，我怎么说沟通啊？
他的名字有没有
没有啊。
？No, I don't know the names because it is in English or
我都没有这个
how will I be able to communicate?
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, wala talaga ni isang kaluluwa na nakausap niya na Pilipino na mabait sa kanya. Yun lang, mabait sa kanya.
Okay. Okay.
So, sabi mo, sino mabait na, baka bigyan ko pampamasko, sige.
Okay.
Sino mabait na Pilipino kausap niya? Kung sa kapilido, kung pwede.
OK，
哦
我们想知道这个帮你这个比较对你友善的朋友，就是他有好心来帮你这个朋友，什么菲律宾人帮你，他叫什么名字？
真的没有人帮我，你叫我说我编不出来，懂吗？我编不出来，你要让我编个谁出来，我编不出来啊。 真没有啊。
There's really none. If I cannot, I don't know how to even answer because I cannot just name name.
Mr. Shi, nabanggit kanina na meron siyang WeChat. Doon niya nakilala yung agent. Pwede ba namin hingin yung kanyang WeChat ID?
Of this Shan, yeah.
No, his WeChat ID.
Okay.
Kasi nandun siya sa WeChat eh.
Okay.
Is he willing to submit to this committee his WeChat ID?
能不能交给这个委员会你的微信账户
我的微信账户可以啊。
？Yes, I am willing.
Okay, please submit it to the committee secretary. Write it down. The WeChat
Okay.
ID.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, two
Yes,
questions. Sino yung lawyer niya? Sinong lawyer niya?
您现在的律师叫什么
Parang Chinese pa niya, hindi mo Tagalog lang.
？I don't know.
So, sinong lawyer niya? Meron ba taga Bureau of Immigration nandito ngayon?
Attorney Raymond.
Attorney Raymond? Do you know who's his lawyer?
Your Honor, during the inquest proceedings po ba?
Yes.
Yung lawyer?
What's the name of the lawyer? And how was he contacted? This lawyer of his, how was this lawyer contacted? And who contacted this lawyer? Was it the immigration or third party?
Your Honor, I think, sir, I think the third party only. Because during the time of the inquest proceedings, medyo hindi po sila nagkakaintindihan din ng lawyer. Parang hindi po siya sure kung siya po ay i-retain po nito pong aming subject.
So, sino kumontak ng lawyer? Yeah.
Hindi po, sir, hindi ko po alam, sir.
You have the name?
We don't have the name. My apologies, Your Honor.
Okay, di ba naharang niyo siya?
Apa.
Okay, then after that, marunong siya magtagalog, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Baluktot nga lang. Kaya dito nag-iinat itong lukulukon to. So, ngayon, kumuha siya ng lawyer.
Apa.
How was he able to obtain that lawyer?
Sir, during the time of the inquest, pagdating ko po, nandun na yung lawyer.
Nandun na agad.
Opo, pero bago po masimulan yung inquest, sinisigurado po ng lawyer na po i-hire po siya ng subject. Kasi hindi po talaga malinaw sa kanya, umabot din sir ng mga 10 minutes yung usapan ho nila. And then,
So, nag-post sa kanya yung Tagalog.
may translator po sir. May translator din sila.
Okay. Then, paano na-contact yung lawyer na pumunta sa immigration?
As para sa remember sir, meron daw po pumontak sa kanya na parang referral lang po ng mga kapwa-abogado niya, ganun po. Parang siya yung malapit sa area. Hindi ko alam kung tama po yung pagkakalala ko, Your Honor, pasensya na po.
So, ngayon po siyang lawyer na retain.
Meron po ng inquest, sir. Pero I will check kung nagsabot na po ng entry of appearance yung lawyer na yun. Kasi sir, Your Honor, hindi rin po kami nagbibigay basta ng kagagaya po niyan. Pag na-charge po siya, hindi po kami nagbibigay ng record. So naghahanap po kami ng entry of appearance. Pero after po ng inquest, meron po siyang lawyer na nag-represent sa kanya.
Kasi
Opo.
yung taong kumontak sa lawyer niya,
Opo.
I'm sure, isa doon
Yeah.
sa mga handler niya.
So maybe Mr. Shi can answer. May abogado siya dun sa inquest. Sino yung abogado na yun? Pangalan?
之前那个律师你认识吗？
我认得他的人，不认识他名字。
I only know him by face but not the name.
And how did you know him by face?
你是怎么认识他？这个人
这个人是我一个朋友给我介绍说要找这个人的。
was introduced by a friend.
And who was this friend?
这个朋友是谁？
这个朋友我不能说，
And when was he introduced by this friend? When?
什么时候介绍给你的？
前天还是大前天呢、
I think that was around 2 to 3 days ago.
So he only met the lawyer when he was already arrested?
所以你被逮捕的时候，你才认识这个律师吗
对啊，
？Yes.
What's the name of your friend who referred the lawyer?
那个朋友介绍给你的那个律师的朋友是谁？叫什么
Pangalan
名字？
nung friend niya na nagbigay ng abogado?
他介绍的
那个朋友，
Filipino o
呃，
Chinese?
菲律宾人还是华人？
我也不知道是，他是
朋友的名字
中，国，
朋友的名字。
那个有的名字，那个叫闪密，
Sami?
嗯
Sami?
嗯
Sami. The name of the friend is Sami.
嗯，
Filipino.
Philippine
我
人。
不知道他是中国人还是应该也算华人吧？
Maybe Filipino Chinese.
Yes, Sammy what?
Sami 姓什么？
不知道
I don't know.
Di na namang.
不知道，真不知道，
What's the name of the lawyer?
那个律师叫什么？
不知道。
Please.
只有他。
No, but you have the name of the lawyer.
高，然后我也不知道他就是
Can we have the name of the lawyer who?
见2次面，我
Because he appeared before the inquest proceedings.
Your Honor, the name of the lawyer is Attorney Jesus Christopher Belandres.
Ayun. So let us invite
Yes.
Attorney Melendres in the next hearing.
And also sa Bureau of Immigration, ilang araw na po siya na nasa custody po ninyo?
Sir, Friday po siya na-aresto, sir.
Friday,
Yes, sir.
last Friday,
Yes po, Your Honor.
and today is Wednesday. So, from Friday up to yesterday, wala bang dumalaw sa kanya na Pilipino?
Your Honor, for a while, Your Honor. Your Honor, we will check sa records po ng ating warding facility kung may dumalo po na
Nag-book yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Gusto ko makuha yung pangalan ng Pilipinong dumalaw sa kanya
Yes.
at gusto ko mapatawag yun dito sa next hearing, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Yes po.
yes.
Yes, Your Honor, we took note of that instruction from you, Your Honor.
Okay. With the permission of the two gentlemen, Senators Rafi and Erwin Tulfo, the Department of Agriculture, who were involved in fact, it was the Department of Agriculture that gave the alert order, forwarded it to the BOC for this Vigor Global raid. Do you have a presentation? Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is your name again?
Willie Ann Angsi, Assistant
Yes,
Secretary for DAIE.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
D is Enforcement and Inspectorate.
Yes.
Go ahead, ASEC Willian.
In the BOC LOA, there are 15 DAIE personnel named therein, but out of the 15 personnel, only 5 joined the operation because the other 10 have different operations to attend to. So today, it is Mr. Ramon Chuakiko who will be presenting what happened from the perspective of the DAIE, Mr. Chair.
Please go ahead. Go ahead. Please take your oath. State your name, sir.
Okay, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, take your seat.
Go ahead. Alay ba natin kung pin?
Pakiclick lang yun. Wait lang. Sir, Your Honor, yung position po namin ng DAIE team. Ang team leader po namin si Leonardo Clara Ebren, sir. Ako yung team member, sir, Ramon Chuakiko, Anado Robles, and Antonio Tambal, and Jeffrey Alaga, sir. Lima po kami, sir. Pakiclick.
Next slide.
Sir, tas nung sa ano po na magpunta po sa Tuklong, sir, sa Bigor, ano sir, pero nag-meet muna po kami sa mga tiga BOC, sir. Next slide. Ayan, sir, about 3 p.m., sir, 29, sir, nag-contact meeting kami with BOC personnel named SA2 Warren Reyes, sir, sa Jollibee sa Central Kalayaan, sir, sa Kawit, sir. Nag-usap kami, sir. Bine-verify po namin sa BOC, sir, kung alam nila yung target area sa 15 Tuklong Kawit, sir. Next slide. Sumobra. Yung location map, sir, yan po, sir, yung 15 Tuklong, sir, na ano, sa
together with Esintuare, nagpunta po kami dyan. Next slide. Yan sir po yung sir ng target area sir na kinasing po namin sir. May kita niyo sir, napakalaki po ng area sir. Inikot po namin yan sir, yung mga ano na yan sir. Hinahanap po namin dyan yung refrigerant, kasi sir, ang input sa amin sir, merong cold storage po dyan sa looban po sir. Next slide. Ayan sir, yung nagkikasing na po kami. Yan po yung gilid. Next slide. Yan sir po yung harap nung sir. Next slide. Yan sir yung mga gilid sir. Next slide. Yan po sir yung gilid po sir, right side nung sir. Yan may community sir. Kaya sir may kita rin dun sa loob. Kung meron pong yung sa refrigerant daan sir. Next slide. Kinisip na po lang, sir. Nag-stake out na po kami niyan, sir. Nag-stake out. Yan, makikita niyo, sir. Gabi, sir, yan, sir. Gabi, sir, nag-umpisa yan, sir. Nag-stake out na kami, sir. Kasi, sir, BOC na verified namin, sir. Nag-stake out kami. Dito namin, sir, na-prove na may cold storage dun, sir. Kasi may mga reaper po, sir, na nagpupunta po dun sa, sir. Yan, sir, yung mga repair, sir. Next slide. Yan, sir. Pinipicture namin yan, sir. Hanggang papunta po yan dun sa target area, sir. Tapos, sir, na-verify namin po talaga, sir, na pumapasok po talaga yun, sir. Then may kita niyo, sir, ayun yung harap ng, sir. Niya, sir, patalikod, sir. Patras, sir. Patras. Pinasok niya po dun sa building. Patras po yan, sir. Next slide. Yan na, sir, nung umaga, sir. Nabot na, sir, kami ng umaga. Oops. Kikita niyo, sir, sinusundan pa rin namin. Puro repair, sir. Ang pumapasok po talaga, sir, dyan sa area na yan, sir. Yang 31 po na yung Friday. 5 o'clock na po, sir. Kaya next slide. May kita niyo, sir, di kami makapasok. Kasi nga po, sir, 5 o'clock, wala na daw pong office hour. Hindi po kami pinapapasok yan. Kaya ang nangyari po yan, sir.
Sinong kausap niyo doon?
Yung sa security officer po,
Sino nga?
yung pangalan nitong...
Hindi si Mr. Willie Ang?
Ay, hindi pa po, sir. Yung chief security, nakalimutan ko lang, sir, yung pangalan nun, sir.
Pakibigay ng pangalan, no? Okay,
Ano,
go
sir?
ahead.
Yan po, sir, hindi po kami napapasok. Kaya, sir, naghintay pa po kami ng address Monday. Kasi Friday po, sir, eh. Oh, yes, sir.
Tatlong araw kayong nag-stake out?
Okay po, sir. Tapos, sir, yung sir, hindi na kami nakapasok dahil nga po, hindi po sir, dahil siyempre wala pong office. Naghintay po kayo.
Mr. Maronilla, Assistant Commissioner, pagka meron kayong letter of authority, kailangan maghintay kayo ng 3 araw bago nyo ma-effect? Is that correct procedure?
So, Your Honor, usually the letter of authority is even on time on target.
Precisely, because 3 araw, di maaaring ilabas yun or whatever, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So bakit kaya nagtagal?
Pero, sir, nilak naman po, sir, ng BOC yung sir, yung
Kahit na.
Nilak
Kahit na. Bakit papayag kayong
hindi ko
maghintay ng 3 araw?
Pwede makasingit, Mr. Chair.
Because if that's not proper procedure, why was it not implemented? Ano yun? Naghanap pa ng paraan? May kinausap pa bang padrino? Di ba? Usually, pag ganyan may delay, ibig sabihin.
Mr. Chair.
Anyway, go ahead,
Mr. Chair.
Senator.
Okay, sinabi ng Bureau of Customs, kapag meron kang hawak na LOA, dapat, kung sino man yung na-issue ng LOA, especially ito bodega, obligado silang ibukas yung gate nila, yung pinto nila for inspection. Tama? In this case, tumanggi itong warehouse. Then, Mr. Chair, kailangan maparusahan tong mayari ng warehouse para masampulan natin. Hindi pwede ito every time na magre-raid ang mga otoridad using the LOA at ayaw buksan yung gate dahil may tatawagan pa o baka may pinuslit na sa likod yung mga gamit o kung ano man yung mga illegal na kargamento. Patawag yung may-ari, kasuhan natin itong may-ari para madala, para wala nang gumaya, wala nang tumulad sa kanya.
And including, well, that's why we want si Mr. Enciso and Mr. Who's the other one? Deputy Commissioner, Raval. Juvie Max. But Mr. Raval was there, no? Where is Mr. Raval?
Yes, Your Honor, but not to excuse Mr. Laval, but he's here. But as explained earlier, he merely represented the Commissioner of Customs then for one visit. He's
Yes,
doing
yes,
that.
I understand that, but you mean to say he left after?
No, just a visit, Your Honor.
He came in nung raid na nakapag-
Yes, Your Honor. A ceremonial visit supposedly.
But on Friday, nandun si Enciso at nandun si Juvie Max. Tama? Doon sa listahan na pinakita.
Sa listahan po, sir.
So they will have to explain why it took them 3 days to enforce the LOA. But they're not here, but we will invite them. No? See, there is the visiting officers are hereby authorized to break down any outer or inner gate, door, or window of buildings, warehouses, establishments if refused admittance to the place after giving notice of their purpose and to seize the goods. So it took you 3 days to effect this.
Sir, hindi po namin alam, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please continue.
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Yung LOA galing sa inyo o galing sa
Sa
customs?
custom po, sir.
Yun yung malaking tanong. Dapat, yun naman pala sa LOA ninyo, nakalagay doon yung utos na pwedeng i-break down, pwede nyo pang akyatin yung bakod kung kinakailangan. Maliit lang naman yung bakod dyan, no? Ba't hindi inakyat?
Go ahead.
Sa customs, siguro yung tanongin, diba, sa mga operatiba na...
No, I wasn't around at that time. Iba po ang nag-lead nung operation. Although on paper, I was the team leader. Pero during the execution on that day, I wasn't around, Your Honor. So, ang nangyari po kasi gabi na lumabas yung letter of authority. So, nung nakarating sila sa target area, gabi na, and then walang gusto mag-receive ng letter of authority, yun ang report sa akin. And then, ang naging instruction na lang, wag nang pwersahin, baka nga daw mademanda pa kami. So, ang naging instruction po is selyuhan na lang yung mga gate and make sure na walang lalabas na kargamento. So, that's why nandun po yung mga Coast Guard po natin to secure the premises po, Your Honor.
So in that case, pwede ba kasuhan itong may-ari ng bodega dahil hindi sa pag-comply doon sa LOA na naka-specify naman, pwedeng kailangan sila magbukas ng gate nila at kung kinakailangan, if need be, pwedeng i-break yung parameters, yung gates parameters?
If there are no valid reasons for the refusal, Your Honor, yes, because that's a violation of the power, the visitorial power of the commissioner is part of the authority given by the CMTA, and any violation of that particular authority the subject can be held criminally liable under the Customs Modernization and Tariff Act, Your Honor.
Balikan ko lang. Pwede pala yun. Kahit meron kayong search, meron kayong authority to break down and to seize goods, pwede pala yung, baka kasuhan tayo kaya wag natin i-break down. Pwede ba yun?
Your Honor, in the regular course of things, that's the authority already.
Precisely.
So, but again, not to excuse some of our personnel, but I guess some of our personnel have been subjected to some harassment cases in the implementation of this, and there might be apprehension.
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Meron ba kayong kaso in the past na pina-implement nyo itong LOA na nakalagay, pwede nyo i-break yung gate para makapasok kayo yung mga operatiba nyo nang sagay mas-seize nyo mga goods na doon? Meron na bang ganun kaso?
Yes, Your Honor. If upon a reasonable length of time, hindi talaga po
Meron na nakasuhan kayo
Meron na po. At meron na rin po kami pinrake at meron na rin po yatang mga
Ano nangyari doon sa nagkaso sa inyo?
yung na-defend naman po ng aming legal service.
Na-dismiss.
Opo, yung mga ganong kaso.
So wala pang insidente na kayo nabaliktad at kayo ay nakasuhan at kayo ay nasentensyan, etc.
May ilan po, Your Honor, pero may nakikita din naman po kasing kamalian dun sa mga tauhan namin. But if you really follow the protocol, tingin naman ho namin defensible yung mga ganyang...
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Erwin.
I think ang may problema dito with the indulgence of Senator Raffy, yung mga tauhan po ng Bureau of Customs, kasi sinabi na po dito yung authority na you can break down. Bakit pa po antayin yung mga may-ari? Kung pwede namang pasukin po pala, kung wala nga po talagang tao, so hindi po papasukin. I mean, nakalagay na ho dyan, malinaw na malinaw, di po ba, Mr. Chair, or what does it say, quote-unquote?
In furtherance with the above-mentioned provisions, the visiting officers are hereby authorized to break down any outer or inner gate, door, or window.
Kaya nga po, Mr. Chair, kagaya niya, may kasama po sila nakakaya sa mga Coast Guard natin, pwede namang magkumuha ng coverage, buksan yung warehouse, di naman na siguro asko kakasuhan kayo dahil may authority, tapos di naman na siguro natin masisik nandoon na may-ari, wala sabi niyo, walang tumanggap. Di ko walang tumanggap, so na pinasok niyo na lang ho, di ba?
Tama po kayo.
Yung ginawa yun, mukhang may lapses po yung tauhan natin.
Yes, Your Honor, we will review those particular actions of our personnel, Your Honor.
And if I may include, sabi nga ng Department of Agriculture dito ay dahil daw office hour, hindi na office hour. Pwede ba naman yung kailangan mong i-seize yung smuggled na produkto dahil dapat mula alas 8 hanggang alas 5 ng gabi lamang? I mean, di ba? Okay, go ahead.
Next slide. Yan sir, yung si team leader si Warren, sir, sinil niya po sir yung yan po ginawa po talaga ng Bureau of Customs sir, sinil para wala po makalabas po ng mga items po sir. Kaya nagbantay din po kami dyan, kasama po ng mga custom, nasa labas lang po kami sir, na natutulog sir. Actually sir, mabait sir yung kasi nag-coordinate kami doon sa barangay. Yung barangay chairman sir, pinatulog pa nga po kami doon sa nila sa barangay nila sir. Pinatulog po kami sir.
Please continue, go ahead.
Yes sir. Next slide. Yan sir po yung sir nung Monday na sir. Nandiyan na po si Sir Pirawin sir.
Okay.
Siya na po yung nagano at ni-receive na po nila yung LOA sir.
Sino tong naka-light blue?
Si Mr. Ang yata po sir yan sir.
Is that you, Mr. Ang?
Yes sir.
Okay. Sino yung nasa kanan?
Mr. Chair, yung OIC po yun.
Yan sir, yung security sir, yung chief security sir.
Yung OIC.
Oh, I see.
Anong pangalan nito?
I think it's Jesus Commissioner.
Commissioner?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Patawag din natin si Mr. Commissioner.
Your Honor, Commission.
Commission. Mr. Commission.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, baka tumatanggap ng commission kaya ayaw kayong papasukin. Sige po. Mr. Ang is representative of
Gold Key.
of the Gold Key
Yes.
dun sa
Yes.
warehouse.
Mr. Chair. Question kay Mr. Ang quickly. So, you know the owner of the warehouse? Pardon, Your Honor? Kilala niyo po yung may-ari ng warehouse? Nandyan. Nandyan ka pala. Sus, kanina ka pang tahimik. Bakit pinaabot mo ng 3 araw na para papasukin yung mga taga Bureau of Customs and Bureau of Agriculture? I'm sure tinawagan ka ng security guard. Yun ang protocol Di ba? Ba't di mo pinapasok?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Na-under oath na ba ito?
Yes.
Okay. Ingat ka ng pagsagot para meron kang kasama sa loob kung ikaw magkamali dito.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
My understanding kasi at that time po, it's 5:30 na after the office and we did not see the yung copy. So parang naging understanding po nila ni ng OIC guard na at that time because walang tao after office hours na, then they both agree na it will be on Monday na after the
No, listen. Tinawagan ka, tama, nakarating sa iyo, impormasyon. Bakit hindi ka pumunta ikaw mismo sa site para tingnan mo yung dokumento, kung legit ba o hindi, kung legit ba yung mga nandun ng mga operatiba. And pag nakita mo, mga naka-uniforme pa at merong LOA, then you should have let them in. Hindi ba na sila pinahintay ng 3 araw? May problema ka rito.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, at that time, we don't know kasi yung procedure. So we just thought na commonly they agreed na to just padlock the facility and wait for Monday. So we just thought...
Sir,
na po.
sir, that's not the way it should be. Ulitin ko makinig ka. Nakarating sa iyong kaalaman na nandun taga Bureau of Customs at saka Bureau of Agriculture na may dala silang dokumento, LOA kung tawagin, which allows them to enter and seize all those goods na nandoon. Okay? Now, nung malaman mo, sabi mo kanina, kasi weekend na, wala na empleyado, etc., that's BS. Ang tamang protocol dapat, yun, kabilang may-ari, it's either ikaw o representative mo na may authority na magbukas ng gate, ang ito doon, para i-check sino talaga itong mga taong ito. Pag nakita mo talaga mga taga Bureau of Customs, may kasama pa ang Philippine Coast Guard, naka-uniforme pa sila in all, with IDs, pinapasok mo. Nung hindi mo pinapasok, may malaking problema ka rito. Mainit ang dugo ko sa'yo. Sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Yeah, sorry, Mr. Chair.
Ipapakontem ka namin.
Sorry, Mr. Chair. At that time kasi I'm not also that familiar with the process. So we just thought lang at that time na they agreed to just lang po muna.
So,
No,
sinabi,
no,
na sabi mo sa process na magkantay ng 3 days, sino sa Bureau of Customs o sa Bureau of Agriculture na nagkantay, sige magkantay kami ng 3 days, sino yun?
I don't have the exact person, sir.
Kasi kina-answer, Mr. Pinawin, sino ang nag-agree?
Sir, nobody agree. Kaya nga po pinadlock namin yung gate para wala pong makalabas.
Kaya yes, nobody agreed, pero hindi nyo rin in-enforce yung breakdown. So bakit? Kung hindi sila nag-agree, ba't di nyo pin-enforce yung breakdown? Kasi nga, natatakot na baka kasuhan. So walang pagkakasundo, pero naghintay kayo ng 3 araw.
Kasi the fact na pumayag kayo mag-antay ng 3 araw, dalawa lang yung ibig sabihin para sa akin. It's either tanga kayo or pasok kayo. Dalawa lang yun. Ano ba doon ang gusto mo marinig, sir? Tanga ka o pasok ka? Better. Alam mo naman kung anong procedure, di ba?
Yes,
Kasama Coast Guard doon, mga naka-uniforme pa. Astig ang dating.
as I said a while ago, sir, I was not part of the operating thing at that time. I
You should have brought
Monday.
At least nag-report sila sa'yo. Tama. They reported to you na, sir, ito pong
Ikaw yung
nangyayari.
team leader. Wala ka doon, pero ikaw yung team leader. So kahit wala ka doon, ikaw pa rin tatanungin ng mga tao mo. Mr. Team Leader, kami ba maghihintay ng 3 araw o kami ba ipapasok na rito?
So sir, nag-antay po kasi kami, ang sabi po kasi nung una, nandiyan po yung DA, ang sabi, inaantay lang yung may-ari. So hanggang sa umabot na ng alas 10 ng gabi, hanggang 11, nag-aantay. Kasi ang sinasabi, may darating na lawyer, may darating yung owner. So nung mag-alas 12 na, so hindi na lang namin pinapinilit sir kasi nga maghahating gabi na eh.
Kaya nga, sir, kinawawa kayo Natulog pa kayo sa barangay. Kinawawa kayo dito, parang binastos kayo. Hindi kayo respeto. I don't president na gagayahin ng iba. Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Senator Rafi, ano ba Mr. Chair? Last time, when I was still at the serve kayo na serve. This was before the time of Baas Comronilla. This was yung previous na commissioner pa.
Ang ginagawa nag-aantay ng tables, nagkakaroon ng bargaining. Gano? Kasi ito, na yung sa Bulacan, na mga ginagawa, nag-aantay kayo. Kaya mga kaso sa presyo, instances eh. Kasi sa chairman, this period. Kaya hindi ko portion about that kasi may bago so sabi ka mag-ano ka ng abogado. So,
So, can we request again, Mr. Chuakiko, tuloy niyo po yung
Next slide.
presentation. Matagal pa ba yan?
Ayan po, sir.
Ito yung salient features na lang.
Ayan, sir, po yung area po, sir. Ang target po, target po ng DA yung dulo. Tapos po, ito, yan, sir, yung mga, ano na yan, mga bodega, warehouse na yan, na mga, hindi agriculture yan, sir. Kaya, BOC na po ang pumasok po dyan na nag-check. Yan po, sir, na-check nila, nag-check po sila. Yan, sir, mga Lazada, yan, sir, yung ano, may mga generator, yan, sir, hinihingi po. Yan po, sir, ang target natin, sir.
Ang target yun. Sige,
Ito po talaga yung target natin, sir. Tignan niyo, sir, wag muna. Balik. Ayun na nga po, sir, ma'am. Sabi ko. Yan po yung dulo. May sa ano na lang, may ban, yung malaking ban. Tapos ilagyan ng kalat. Ng kalat na yan. Yung kalat na yan, sir, malilinis yan eh. Tapos ilagyan mo ng ban na ganyan. Nakikita niyo, sir, yung ganun doon sa ban. Yun yung pinag-atrasan ng reaper. Mga, na ano yan. Yan, yun ang talagang level nun sa reaper. Nung tinatanong ko po, ito si Mr. Ang, Willie Ang. Ano yung ano na yan? Kasi dito na po kami talaga sa target. Sabi ko, Kader, tignan nyo yung dalawang nalagyan po yan ng ano eh. Actually, sir, hindi po yan ganyan.
Ibig sabihin, yung 3 araw na yon, mula Biyernes hanggang Lunes, nag-set up sila ng ganyan.
Yes po.
Sige,
Your Honor. Yan po, sir, nakita nyo. Kahit si Sir Pinali, Sir Ang, na ano ba yan? Hindi po talaga nagsasalita si Mr. Ang ng ano, piniinano ba yan?
Mr. Chair, may kita po kasi namin yung lugar, tuloy ko lang parang kita po kasi namin yung lugar.
Address the chair, ha?
Mr. Chair, nakita po kasi namin yung lugar, parang sariwa pa yung palitada ng pader. So tinatanong ko si Mr. Ang, ano ba nasabi niya, pader yan. So nung lumapit kami sa dulo, mamay namin malansa. So sabi namin, saan nanggagaling yung amoy na malansa? So pinatanggal ko, sir, yung mga basura at saka pinatanggal ko yung nakaparadang coaster. Then pinagiba ko na po nung kinato ko, sir, halo. Sabi ko, hindi pader. So pinagiba ko, sir, yung pagpagawa ko ng butas. So that's why nakapasok kami doon sa loob. Nakita yung mga cold storage, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, please proceed. Mr. William, mamaya sumagot ka, ha? Go ahead.
Ayan na po, sir, nakapuksa na po namin. Kikita nyo sa ito po yung sa surveillance po namin. Yan yung cold storage. Kung makikita niya, kung mapiplay po natin yan, makikita niya yung pakabila naman doon, makikita yung van na yan. Yung sasakyan na yan, makikita niyo. Diyan ko po nakita, kay Sir Pinawi na hindi talaga yan may cold storage siya sa loob. Tapos ayun na po sir, nung napasok na. Ayan po yung cold storage. Napasok na po nung IE. Ayan po yung mga 10 yan, cold storage. Ito po yung yung hinahanap po namin na dapat po yun sir, nasa labas. Tinago po sa loob. Kita namin, cold storage po sa loob.
Talagang may tangkang itago.
Itago, sir. Tapos, sir, yung yan ang exit door nila. Nung sinara nila yung na walang kami, sir, nung nakita ko na yun, sir, hindi namin marinig yung tinanay. Kaya, sir, yung dyan, sir, nilak naman po, sir, lahat yan ng BOC, sir, nung napasok na po namin, nalak po yan, sir. Ayun, sir, yung mga sir, na ginawa talaga nila, sir. Ganyan talaga, sir. Tinakpan lang nila, sir. Yan sinasabi ni Sir Ang Ader.
Okay.
Ako, sir, kung hindi ka yan, sir, puro Chinese. Kaya, sir, yan. Puro Chinese product, sir, na nasa loob. Ayun, sir, sir, yung mga lalaking, sir. Halo-halo na sa cold storage, eh. Ayan, sir, puro Peking duck, sir. Yan, sir, yung mga sir. Ayan, sir, nung sir, nagdalaw na po si Sir, Sir Rabal na po dyan sa amin. Ayan, sir, nag-inspection po sila, sir. Ayan, sir. Po kami sa regarding para ma-verify po namin. Sir. Ayan po, sir, inimbento po, sir, ng BOC, sir. Yang winate po nila, kaya nagkaroon po ng mga, na po, kung magkano po yung mga Tapos nandiyan lang naman po, sir, yung mga trabaho namin.
Mr. Chair, pwede mo kasing...
Yes, go ahead.
Okay,
Senator
para
Rafi.
kita ng konti, nasa na yung mga yan,
Ay,
yung mga nakumpiskan nyo, yung na-seize nyo, ano nung ginawa nyo doon sa mga karning yan?
di,
Bandong yan, nasa...
sir, ano na po, sir?
Nasaan lang, pakisagot.
Ay, hindi ko po, sir, alam yung kung nasaan po.
Ano nangyari?
I-raid nyo.
Hindi, sir,
Sir, sikot-sikot. That was seized, right?
Opo, sir.
Where are they now?
Actually, sir, hindi ko po alam kung nasaan po talaga yan, sir.
Muna, nandoon ka eh.
Hindi, sir, nandyan lang po yan, sir.
Okay, so Sarah, Customs, nasaan na po ito? Nasaan po mga ito?
Sir, after 15 days, nag-recommend po ako ng warrant of seizure and it was approved by then Collector Rizal Toralba. And then nagkaroon nga po ng hearing, nag-issue po ng notice of hearing. So doon po namin inaantay kung sino po yung mga mag-a-appear na mga may-ari. So wala pong dumating. So nagkaroon po ng forfeiture order and then nagkaroon po ng order ng condemnation, Your Honor.
Condemnation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nasaan yung video na kinukondem yun? We have the video?
I have
And-
the
Were there
pictures.
witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Non-present ba yung DA?
Actually, sir, during the condemnation po, ang present, meron po,
Present ba, DA representative?
Yung mikropono. Can someone from the DA answer? Were you present during the condemnation?
No, I'm not present, sir. Hindi on the
At least one representative from DA? Meron?
There was
Meron?
none, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, meron pong representative from BAI and DAIE. I have here the signature po.
No, kasi kasama sila sa raiding team eh. Bilang respeto lang, bilang courtesy, sana sinama yung isa sa kanila o maski man lang si Mr. Tuakiko.
Your Honor, kasi hindi ko lang alam kung sino yung...
Sandali lang, sir. Kasi nagpakandahirap siya, nagpuyat siya for 3 days, tama? As a courtesy to him, sana sinama siya para nakita niya yung fruits of his labor na okay, ito, bumunga yung pagod ko. Ayan, accomplishment, yan, not condemn. But you weren't invited.
Hindi po, sir. Wala.
Mr. Chair, just for the record, no,
Yes.
the DAIE has been following up on the condemnation of these goods for several months. This happened in June, but it was only in December that the condemnation was ordered based on records and our report. Maybe the BOC can confirm.
5
Umabot
months
na.
after.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wait, sinasabi nila that nandun ang BAI? Pangalan nung nandun?
Ramirez po.
Ramirez. And sabi mo NMIS?
No, Bai, Your Honor.
Oh, Bai.
Gutierrez.
Gutierrez from Bai. Bai. Mr. Gutierrez, can you confirm nandun kayo nung nagkaroon ng condemnation? The reason why we're raising this is because my understanding is there are instances wherein sino ba dapat ang may kapangyarihan sa condemnation? Yung BOC ba o yung DA?
Kasi inabot, Mr. Chair, ng 5 buwan, baka nabawasan na, nabenta na. So, meron bang ginawang inventory bago sa condemnation to make sure kung ano yung nandyan na inabutan sa raid, yun pa rin yung i-condemn?
Mr. Chair, if I
Yes,
may.
go ahead.
Actually, sir,
Aspect.
dumating po yung NMIS as reported kanina, and they were there supposedly to conduct an inventory of the products, but the BOC refused them to conduct inventory because wala daw po sila sa LOA. So baka daw po ma-technical, and they were asked to leave. So the NMIS was not able to conduct an inventory and did not have a hand in the handling of the goods po, Mr. Chair.
Tamang protocol ho ba yun, Bureau of Customs, na palayasin nyo yung NMIS na sila mismo ang nakakita doon sa inspection during the raid? They were there and then sila magsacertify kung yun pa rin ba yung mga karne ang kinukondem. So bakit sila pinalayas? Pati yung DA pinalayas. So ibig sabihin, kayo na lang.
So nung kinondem, hindi alam ng DA kung ano yung kinondem. Tama?
So pwedeng,
Please answer the question. For the record.
Miss Willie,
So when the condemnation proceedings and I understand incineration ito, di ba?
Dapat, sir, yes.
Di ba? No, they were saying there was a condemnation and incineration. So when it happened, wala ang DA.
DA, sir. Yes.
wala yes.
Yes.
During the whole of the operation till the condemnation, andun po ang Philippine Coast Guard and representative ng DAIE. 24/7 po yung guarding po ng facility. So wala po, masisiguro po namin na wala pong nakalabas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, walang nakalabas hanggang dinala nyo sa condemnation proceedings. At doon sa condemnation proceedings, wala na sila. So, meron ba nangyari doon sa condemnation proceedings na inilipat? Oo, habang nandun sa Toklong, doon sa warehouse, walang gumalaw. Pero pagdating doon sa proceedings, sinasabi ng DA, nung susunugin na, wala na sila. So, sinulog lahat.
Ang follow-up din, Mr. Chair, kung meron ba ginang inventory, bago kinondem, bago nilagay sa incinerator, dapat nandun NMIS, okay, o Philippine Coast Guard, good, dapat nandun yung DA, para in-inventory isa-isa, yun na ikukondem. Malam mo, Mr. Chair, baka mamaya pinalitan na. O,
Which I understand.
imbis na kunyari, sako ng karne, mamaya, sakong ulit na lang nasa loob. Di ba?
Which I understand based on the information that has been shared with us by contacts. Nangyayari yun na nire-recycle. Magko-condemn ng kalahati o kaya 20%, pero yung 80% ay binabalik
Or wala talaga, puro laman ng sako
na sinusunog.
na sinusunog.
Yes, Mai. What is the procedure when it comes to seasoning? Yes, please take your oath.
State your name, please.
Palcro,
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public interview?
I do, sir.
Meron ba kayong memorandum of agreement with the BOC on condemnation, Mr.
Normally po, sir, Mr. Chair, yung Bureau of Animal Industry sa mga ports, siya naka-station. So kami yung first border
Yes, yes.
sa port. So, pagka may mga nahuli sa ports or meron kami recommendations para sa condemnation. So, we request na kasama rin kami sa condemnation. So,
Ano sinasabi ng batas?
kasi sir, yung mga nahuli, dahil sa SPS po, ang Bureau of Animal Industry, sanitary and phytosanitary measure, lahat ng nahuli na illegal, hindi siya dapat pagka nasa loob po ng customs, is always the Bureau of Customs po.
Hindi na-turn over sa inyo.
Hindi po.
Pa?
Under the jurisdiction pa po ng BOC. Kung
Pero
nasa...
agriculture products eh. Shouldn't there be a turnover to you? Dahil kayo ang nagde-determine kung mayroong infected ba yan, may swine fever ba yan, hindi ba?
Hindi po namin pinapalabas sa Mr. Chair sa BOC kung merong mga nahuli. Kasi,
Hindi nga kayo sinama doon sa condemnation eh. Paano nyo enforce yung hindi pinalalabas eh, hindi nga kayo pinapasok eh.
Mr. Chair, makasingit. Wala bang MOA kayo between NMIS o Bureau DA and Customs na kapag merong mga na-seize na mga products tulad nito ng Bureau of Customs kasama kayo na yung kustodiya sa inyo o dapat kasama kayo sa condemnation? Wala kayong MOA na gano'n?
wala po kaming MOA. Ang natatandaan ko lang pong MOA, yung lahat ng agricultural products dapat dadaan sa Department of Agriculture, yung tatlong agencies, BAI, BPI, and BFAR, magkaroon ng inspection bago mailabas sa Bureau of Customs Custody.
Okay, pero wala yung pagdating sa condemnation tulad nito na dapat nandun kayo nagpa-participate bilang witness.
Hindi ko lang po sure kung merong nangyaring ganun, pero sa pagkakaalam ko po,
Wala yung MOA.
wala po akong
Well, then dapat
natatandaan.
magkaroon na o dapat kinakailangan gumawa tayo ng batas tungkol dyan, Mr. Chair.
That's correct because in the end, kaya siguro nakakalusot. Halimbawa, ang African swine fever. Diba?
Silang expert eh.
Dahil kayo ang expert pero customs ang nagko-condemn. Diba? At wala kayo doon sa proceedings. Diba? So paano nyo alam na talagang Anyway, I agree. In fact, sa ibang bansa, sa airport, pagpasok pa lang ng airport, ang una mong kaharap, hindi customs. Agriculture.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala pa sa customs, pagbaba pa ng airport, sa terminal pa lang, Taiwan, US, Singapore, very strict sila sa pagpasok. Nauna kayo. Yung agri, yung quarantining. Tsaka na yung customs sa dulo. Pero dito baliktad. Nauna, sabi mo, ang customs.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun na nga. So dapat, siguro batas ang kailangan doon o
Yes,
memorandum of
Your
agreement.
Honor, yun nga po yung matagal na namin na nire-request bago pa magkaroon ng CMTA na
Matagal na request. Ba't
Yes.
yes. Sinasabi sa amin?
kasi po nung kinakrap yung yung CMTA ng Senate na Ways and Means, yun na lagi yung recommendations namin na dapat may SPS bago lumabas at yun nga po, hindi makalabas ng walang, kami muna yung una, yung quarantine Department of Agriculture, if it is agricultural products, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Chair, makasingit. Since name drop yung Philippine Coast Guard, so ang nandun lang Customs and Coast Guard, pinalayas yung taga NMIS sa DA. Philippine Coast Guard, anong na-witness ninyo doon sa pagkukondemn, doon sa paglagay sa incinerator ng mga meat products na seized?
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead,
Thank you,
Commodore.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, may we call on the person under the Coast Guard who were
Yes, please.
who were there, who witnessed the condemnation.
May we have his name and if he can swear, take his oath? Anong pangalan mo? Herminal. Okay.
Raise your right hand. Answer my question, do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Okay. Senior.
Senior Chief Petty Officer,
Senior
Ferdinand,
Chief.
sir.
Okay, go ahead. Ang tanong ay, nandun kayo doon sa condemnation at nandun din kayo doon sa seizure. So masasabi ba na kung ano yung kinondem at sinunog at yung nakumpiska nung dinala doon sa condemnation facility?
Sa incinerator,
Yes, sir.
bumabangga.
From the start, sir, nag-start ng condemnation, kami yung underguard from point to point from Kawit to Bulacan, sir. Hanggang natapos, sir, ng kung hindi ko nagkakamali, sir, December 24, 2024, sir.
So hindi niyo pinabayaan yung
24 hours kami on duty doon, sir.
hanggang doon sa condemnation.
Yes, sir.
At masasabi ninyo na kung ano yung kinuha galing sa Kawit at dinala sa condemnation facility at sinunog. Yun. Walang
Hindi siya sinunog, sir, pero giniling, sir, giniling.
giniling.
Yes, sir. Rendering, sir. Rendering, sir.
So yun. Walang you are witness to the whole process and you can attest na hindi nabawasan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Giniling. Tapos, nung magiling, anong nangyari doon sa nagiling?
Surrendered nila doon, sir, then dinedispose nila, sir, sa disposal area.
Ano yung baka naging longganisa yun, hindi kaya? What happened? Ginigiling tapos disposal area. Ano yung disposal area?
Hindi na kami nakasama doon, sir.
Costos daw sumagot. Oh, after na magiling, ano nangyari? Costos?
Usually, Your Honors, part of the agreement with the condemnator is that if there are byproducts that are allowed by the Department of Agriculture for these particular items, they're being used. So for this particular case, if they can be used as feeds, then they're allowed to be used as...
Good answer. Now, Department of Agriculture. Oh, yung mga nagiling, pinasa ba sa inyo? Wala daw eh.
Oh, yun.
But, Your Honor, they approved the condemnation plan. And just to clarify, Your Honor, the Port of Manila District Collector, Attorney Alex Alvaro, who is here, and submitted attendance sheets of the entire condemnation
Sir, I'll make it short to you. Okay na-follow na kita. Sabi niya kasi, yung na-condemn, ginigiling. Tapos sabi mo, yung mga nagiling, kapag may mapakinabangan doon, ay pinapasa sa DA para gawing feeds. Tama? You did say that. Sa ngayon, tanong ko sa kanila kung with the approval of DA na ipapasa sa kanila. So meron bang naipasa sa inyo?
Wala po kaming nalalaman na pasa. Tsaka kung gagawin pong feed ingredients yun, kailangan pong kumuha ng mga permits para magamit na sa sa pagkain ng mga hayop po.
Eh baka langgunisa na ngayon, tulad sabi ni Mr. Chair. Ngayong Pasko na langgunisa tayo. Anyway,
Yes, go ahead. Can we have the clarification?
Your Honor, we'll clarify with what actually, yung kanina pong feeds, that's just an example.
That's a hypothetical.
Hypothetical. But we'll look into what happened to after the grinding of this. Yeah, and we'll also submit, Your Honor, attendance sheets of the whole condemnation process where personnel from BAI and DAIE.
Well, yes, but moving forward, can the BOC and the DA, ASEC, pwede ba kayong magkasundo na walang ganitong mga pinipwera-pwera? Or sinasabing wala sila ron? Di ba?
MOA. Siguro.
Yes, perhaps without the law, maybe a memorandum of agreement between the BOC. You know, when I was chairman of the NFA Council, we had a memorandum of agreement between the NFA and the BOC na lahat ng pinapasok naming import may kopya, direkta, yung commissioner. Iisa lang ang kopya ng importation. Para maliwanag, pag wala yung dokumento sa BOC at pumasok yung bigas, smuggled. Automatic yun. Kailangan talaga, yun yung single window eh. Di ba? National single window. Iisa lang ang dokumento para walang... kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, di ba? So dapat iisa lamang yung coordination ninyo sa condemnation at sa smuggling ng agriculture products. Ayan yun na yung ibang electronics. Pero yung agriculture at fisheries products, kinakailangan nag-uusap kayo at iisa ang documentation ninyo. Can we have that? No, and then during your budget hearings for the next, ayun ko, hindi na natin mahabol, na-approve na natin eh. We'd like to see that memorandum of agreement, maybe earlier.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Please inform your secretary, please inform Commissioner Nepomuceno. We want that memorandum of agreement when it comes to smuggling of agriculture products and condemnation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, pwede pong magdagdag.
Sige.
Kasi kung yung mga questionable products na agricultural products, mataas po kasi ang risk nito makapagdala ng sakit. Kaya never po namin ina-allow na ma-auction to. Tapos, kung i-retest naman, magiging president to na pwedeng magpasok kahit walang permits, basta kung matetest na negative, hindi rin namin pinapayagan yun. Kaya dapat po talaga kung mga questionable agricultural products, particularly yun sa Bureau of Animal Industry, wala po sanang mailabas nor ma-i-auction.
May auction.
Okay, ang tanong ko sa iyo, ano ba tabang proseso tulad nung nangyari doon sa raid sa bodega na pinag-usapan natin ngayon? Incinerate or gilingin?
Kung pagbabasihan po natin kasi sir yung batas, bawal po yung sa Clean Air Act, bawal maglibing, bawal mag-incinerate. Dapat po yung yung i-cremate po. Yun lang po yung nalalaman ko sa
So dapat
Clean
meron ng
Air Act.
crematorium.
May crematorium, di ba? Proceed. Para
Pero ang recommendation po namin pagka ganyan sa port, either return to origin, yun nga, condemnation, yun
Kaya ang process ng condemnation ang advisable.
So kung ano po yung consistent sa Clean Air Act po, yun ang
So,
ano nga yun?
crematorium.
crematorium. Kaya yung Bureau of Animal Industry, kung meron pong na-confiscate sa airport dahil mga maliliit na volume lang yun, kinikremate po sa Bureau of Animal Industry.
So, in this case, sana pinoward sa inyo para kayo mag-cremate.
Yes.
Tama?
At dapat po, sir,
Do you have the ability or the capacity?
sa ngayon, sir, wala kasi ang norm po is yung lahat ng nasa Bureau of Customs is under their custody. And in fact po, alam po namin na hanggang sa merkado, it is under the custody of the Bureau of Customs. Kaya meron po silang police power to investigate po. Ang bahay po, up to the first border and second border po, National Meat Inspection Commission, pagka nakalabas na sa port po. Yun po yung procedure na
So in
nangyari.
other words, legally, pwede ninyong i-hold prior to release sa merkado, di ba?
Dapat po, lalo na po kung mga questionable po. Dahil ang habol lang po namin dito ay hindi magkaroon ng sakit yung ating mga
Exactly.
livestock.
Just for the record, and I will uulitin ko, yung African swine fever, galing yan sa imported na karne na most likely smuggled. Dahil nga hindi dinaan sa inyo at hindi na-test.
Yes po.
And it cost the country about 130 billion pesos.
Wow.
Yes po, more than 50% ng pork ng
Precisely. And that
industry nasira.
ganun katindi at ganun kahalaga yung revenue sa pag-check kung pumapasok sa ating mga borders itong mga infected na karne. Hindi ba? It costs us 130 plus billion pesos sa industriya.
Yes po, more than 200 billion kasi. More than 50 yung industry po natin ng swine is more than 200 billion. Ang affected po is more than 50%. So tama po, Mr. Chair, na more.
And kaya nga nilabas natin sa budget yung dinagdagan ng 1 billion para sa first border control for three for two border first border inspection, no? First border control inspection. So sana para at kailangan din yung memorandum of agreement na yun.
Yun nga, sir, recommend ko, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Agad-agad magkaroon ka ng MOA sa mga pulisiya na tulad na nangyari dito, hindi na maulit. Yung hindi na kayo palalayasin pag meron ginawang pag-condemn at dapat yung condemnation, sabi nyo, crematorium, kung kinakalang budgetan kayo, then just say it. Babudgetan namin kayo, magkaroon ng malaking crematorium para yung mga meat products tulad yan na kailangan i-condemn, dadaan sa inyo. Sa inyo na lang at wag na sila. Okay?
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, just a quick. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Just a quick question dito sa freezer number 8, doon sa raiding team kasama ang DA. Do you have documentation of the items that were seized in each freezer? Meron ba? Inventory ba kayo?
Mr. Chair, we have a list of the products in each cold storage warehouse that we checked, but we do not have the full inventory because it was the BOC that conducted the full inventory.
So does the BOC have a full inventory of the each freezer?
Okay.
We'll ask.
Your Honor, during the inventory, may kasama po kami mga examiner. Meron po.
Yes, okay. So can you submit to the committee the inventory for the freezers? Kasi ang binabanggit ni Mr. Shi, nakikipag-usap siya sa freezer number 6 at freezer number 7. At tapos siya ay freezer number 8. So magkatabi lahat yun, base doon sa nakita natin. At lahat yun ay pare-parehas yung produkto na halos, smuggled lahat. No? Now, and the same with the inventory of the DA. Whatever materials you have on each freezer, please forward to us. This is documentary evidence necessary for us to come up with our recommendations and our findings. And maybe immediately to the Agriculture Economic Sabotage Council. What do you make of Mr. Shi and his testimony here and given the information that you have received?
Mr. Chair, may I add
Yes?
that? Yes, Attorney Ong. Ano ang plano ngayon dito? I mean, are you going to ready charges, cases versus Chow Kun Shi for economic sabotage, smuggling?
Magandang tanghali po, Mr. Chair. Of course, we will immediately conduct an investigation, Mr. Chair, on these matters. Based on the information that was revealed to us today, the condition and the situation of the warehouse owner, the admissions and the info that were given to us by Mr. Chi, definitely, Your Honor, in consultation with the Secretariat of the AA's Council, we will act immediately, Mr. Chair.
And what about the Customs Bureau? Considering what you have uncovered here, what do you intend to do? Because you also have jurisdiction over these smuggled goods, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. With the personalities just mentioned in today's hearing, Your Honor, we will include them in the case that we will actually be filing, including the ones that we will refer for anti-economic sabotage law violation, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, may I?
Yes, please proceed.
Sa Review of Customs, so, ito si Chow Kun Shi, ito po talagang main suspect natin. Tama po ba?
Sa ngayon po, Your Honor, yes po.
Alright.
Po ngayon ang,
Tapos, ito po, warehouse na ito, let me direct my question doon kay Mr. Ting. Mr. Yung isinigwa na mga kargamento, alam niyo ba? Or hindi na ninyo ini-inspect? Bahala na siya pag may tinabi na siya na container truck doon sa warehouse number niya, hindi nyo na ini-inspect.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Usually kasi we don't mind kung ano yung, hindi namin na monitor yung ano po nila, activity nila po. Kasi we just lease the property lang po.
you just lose the property. So, wala kayo pakialam kung ano ang dinadala doon sa bodega.
We're not familiar lang po with the product that they are processing.
Pero sa agreement na ninyo na bawal sa magdala ng mga
Yes.
kontrabando.
Apa, nasa contract po, nasa
contract.
Apa.
Ayun. Siguro, sir, next time, lesson learned, susunod, checking na rin siguro, buksan ninyo itong condition of the nursing. Ano?
Yes.
Pinag-usutan ho yan eh.
Apa.
Gaya may smuggle na pinapasok, 100 million i-smuggle ho dito. Talagang kulong ho dito, economic sabotage. Ano po?
Apa, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Mr. Shi, meron ka bang kilalang EAV tracking? EAV tracking at Teo tracking.
OK，请问您认识这个 EAV 还有这个 Dayo 这个货车的公司 ？No, I don't know them.
Ikaw ba ay nag-hire ng mga truck?
你会自己停这些货车吗？
No.
Sino sa 567 ang nag-hire ng truck?
呃
Yung mga nagde-deliver?
这个从第6、第7的仓库谁来送货？
第6、第7的仓库就直接拉出来了啦。
It was delivered straightly to number 6 and
要送
7.
货啊，因为我8号嘛，
Yeah.
然后东西就直接搬过去啊。
So it was directly sent to number 6 and number 7, and I just moved the items.
In other words, ang sinasabi niya, hindi siya yung mastermind.
所以你说你不是主人对吗？你不是那个。
我不是，就是我
Bumabakas lang siya, parang ganun.
沙包是我租的啊。
你的意思就是你只是跟那个6号跟7号做一起？好 Yes, that's correct.
Yes, yung warehouses 6, 7, and 8, tama? Ang binuksan? O yung buo?
Sir po.
Pero alin mga warehouse yung merong covered wall? 6, 7, and 8?
At
And nine?
sir, sir, yung sir, yung parang pasukan lang ng ano yun, sir.
So pero alin yung warehouse? Dahil 15 ata yung...
10, sir. 10 cold storage, sir.
So 10 warehouses?
Cold storage, sir, na yung...
Cold storage pero sa ilang warehouse? Isa lang?
Hindi, sir, bawat, sir, cold storage na tawag ko bawat isa.
Sinasabi ko si Mr. Shi, merong warehouse number 6, warehouse number 7, warehouse number 8.
Yes, sir.
So ilang warehouse yun? 10.
10 sa amin, sir.
Palaki yun. So, 10 warehouse ang nakumpiska yung smuggled na
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10 cold storage.
So, 10 cold storage na yung karne na yun.
Yes, sir.
Ano mga cold storage number yon? Freezer?
10, 9, 8,
6, 5, 4.
Tapos sir, yung 5, 6. Lahat yun, sir, yung may mga laman, sir.
Mr. Jimmy, ilang warehouse ba yun?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Bali, sir, one warehouse lang siya. Sa loob ng warehouse, there are 10 freezer facilities sa loob ng one warehouse po. Then it is numbered 1 to 10 po.
So everything was cold storage.
In one warehouse.
Yes. Street.
No, in just one warehouse po. Out of the 15 warehouse, only one warehouse po is the cold storage po.
I don't understand. I was there.
Yes, yeah.
Okay? Pinakita niyo yung layout. Pahaba. So, lahat yun, yung dulo lang.
Yes, yes.
So, how many nga? 10. Kasi may warehouse number 8, warehouse number 9. What about yung mga Lazada? Warehouse number ano yun? Hindi yung kasama doon sa mga warehouse.
Hindi po.
So, ilan ang lessor mo doon? Lessee mo doon? At the time of the raid, ilan ang nag-release?
Doon sa one warehouse na may 10
No, lahat. Sa buong warehouse.
There's around 16 po.
16.
Apa.
Lessees.
Apa.
Yung Lazada kasama doon sa 16.
Yes po.
Pero si Mr. Shi kasama doon sa 16.
One of the 16.
Yes. So doon sa 16, ilan yung kinumpis ka na smuggled items doon sa 16?
One warehouse lang po yung na-confiscate po. Pero sa one warehouse, sa loob po nun, may 10 na sub-freezer pa po.
So 10 lessees, sub-lessees.
Pa.
Maaari mo bang maibigay yung mga pangalan ng mga lessees nung 10 na yon nasa isang warehouse?
Apo, Mr. Chair, we have provided
You
that
have to
already
submit
po.
that immediately to this committee.
They submitted it na, Mr. Yes, Senator.
Punta natin siguro yan, Mr. Chair, yung mga lessees na yan.
That's what
Para may kausap si Mr. C sa baba.
Yes, we've requested the immigration for information, and a number of them have actually left the country. So that is the challenge. We also place on record the deliveries to all these warehouses of trucks and the dates. And for Mr. Shi, the warehouse number 8 deliveries are all here. We place on record EAV tracking service and DEO tracking service. We are also instructing the committee secretary to identify, gather information regarding these corporations or these proprietorships, and identify and invite the shareholders, the board of directors, members of the board, or the officers of EAV tracking service and DEO tracking service. Yes, sir. Thank you. Also, Mr. Shi, ikaw ang nagbabayad ng renta. Ha?
这个租金是
Ikaw
你
ang misis mo.
还是你的妻子
Nag-issue ka ng mga cheque.
？It's me, yes.
Sabi mo, wala kang pera. Saan mo kinukuha yung panggastos mo at pangbayad sa renta? Ang renta magkano? 199,000 a month.
租金是19.9万。
And you paid it with post-dated checks of 12 months?
Yeah.
12 months. At may security deposit ng 400,000.
金，还有个定金。
Saan mo kinuha lahat ng pera na yun?
这笔钱是哪里拿到的
这笔钱就之前个人的钱啊。
？It's my personal savings before.
Personal savings. Pero sabi mo, wala kang pera.
你说你没有钱，
之前要投机，那投进去就没有了啊，货不就被查了吗？就投进去的啊。
要他说啊，
就之前投进去的嘛。
So
就现在啥都没有了。
yeah, I already invested my savings into this business. That's why it's all gone now.
And your wife, where is your wife now?
你的妻子现在在哪里
Back in
中
China.
国啊。
？It's in China.
So we will request the BIR also, committee secretary. Are they here? Oh yes, Attorney Alan Reyes. If we can also seek documents, supporting documents from the BIR in coordination with our committee secretary pertaining to Mr. Shi and his operations and the other lessees.
Yes, sir. The same with the topics or the corporations with the last meeting, subject to Section 270 of the tax code, subject to the formal letter from the Senate Committee on
Yes.
Agriculture.
And that it will be turned over in executive session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Ano pa? Yes. One other item before we suspend the hearings. This is the matter of the request of Mr. San Andres for provisional release. For the information of Mr. San Andres, we are still evaluating your letter request for provisional release based on your testimony.
Mr. Chair,
Yes?
Di ba, the reason why we had him under contempt because of the fact that we're asking him questions na he cannot answer naman, like evading our questions. So that's the reason why, Mr. Chair, if you would recall, that's why I moved that he be cited for contempt.
That is correct.
Siguro, Mr. Chair, unless ibigay niya, sagutin niya yung mga tanong natin, yung owner na shipment din ng mga onions, dahil alam niya, then siguro he will remain there.
Kung sino ang financier
Exactly.
ng Berches na
At least, Mr. San Andres, may kasama ka na si Mr. Shi, magkwentuhan kayo mamayang gabi. Okay?
we would encourage Mr. San Andres to be truthful.
Exactly.
And if he wishes to submit a supplemental affidavit to that effect, we will welcome it. In the meantime, we are continuing to evaluate your position, the position that you've taken, and the request for provisional release.
Before I forget, Mr. Chair, I would like to congratulate the Bureau of Customs, particularly Commissioner Viado, for that arrest that you did doon sa fugitive. Migration, Commissioner Viado, for the arrest of that fugitive, I think last week. Fugitive yata yung from China na nahuli nila. So you did a good job there, pakisabi kay Commissioner Viado.
Sir, thank you in behalf of Commissioner Biado and the Bureau of Immigration.
Kasi, Mr. Chair, the Bureau of Immigrations operate silently. Hindi na nila kailangan i-press release. Unlike before, ngayon, they just do their job. Kagaya yung nangyari dito kay Mr. Shi, at saka marami na silang ina-operate yan. So, thank you and congratulations. Job well done, Attorney Raymond. Please inform the Commissioner.
Thank you. Mr. Shi, meron pa ba kayong gustong sabihin sa committee ito?
你还有其他要补充的吗？
没有什么补充，对吧？
Wala na at for now. Ngayon, kung please inform him kung meron po siyang nais pang sabihin at magsabi ng totoo at to cooperate with this committee to provide us additional information regarding this case, we will welcome your cooperation should you choose to cooperate with this committee and be truthful.
但是你说的那些人我不认识，真不认识，不是假的。
Yes.
真不认识。
What is he saying? He is saying that
Yeah, I really don't know any people, those people.
okay, we will take it for what it is. Hopefully his detention here will make him perhaps think differently in a number of days. In the meantime, he will have to be detained.
考虑我认识的
There being no other matters,
但我不认
for
识
the
我说
committee
什么
hearing at this time, we will, this committee hearing of the Committee on Agriculture, Food and Agrarian Reform is suspended. Maraming salamat.